Well, here we are. We're just about to do a DP chippy install on a Mitsubishi, the new 2.4. So they're pretty simple. You can see already Trent started on it and unplugged the rail plug. We plug in the DP chip harness down onto the factory plug, plug in the male and female, so it's virtually like inserting a T-piece. Once that's done, we're off to the harness. We plug the DP chip into the harness and finding a mounting position, and it's done as simple as that. We'll go around and just turn on the ignition, make sure it powers up with the lights, and then that's it. We have a little red light flashing down in there, a little bit hard to see on video. DP chips are live, so real simple plug and play. All we've got to do now is just tidy it up with the cable ties that come in the kit. Got full instructions, find a mounting position down the back of the engine bay or up the front somewhere, and we're done, all within about a few minutes. For more of these videos, you can keep watching us here on dpchip.com or keep following our Facebook.